Partner Admin Link, PAL, enables Microsoft to identify and recognize those partners who are helping customers achieve business objectives and realize value in the cloud. The following are the customer benefits of adding the PAL to the subscription. Enhanced support and engagement from partners and Microsoft. Optimized usage and consumption of services, as supported by designated partners. How does Microsoft PAL work and why it is needed? Using Partner Admin Link, PAL, customers, or supporting partners, can associate the Microsoft Partner Network, MPN ID, of the partner with the products being supported, managed by the Microsoft partner. The service delivery from the partner can include managing, configuring, and supporting any of the Microsoft Azure and Power BI environments of the customer. PAL allows the partner to maintain their Solution Partner Designation in Microsoft Records, and the partner gets recognized for making a successful engagement with the products procured by the customer. Further, it makes the project and customer investment successful. Partners can associate their MPN ID once customers have added them as guests in their Office 365, Azure Admin Portal for the Azure or Power BI workload being supported by them. Access to these environments provided by customers are safe and secured. PAL process is important for us as partners for Microsoft recognition and to maintain our Solution Partner Designation. There are no additional costs associated with this process. Steps for attaching a PAL. To complete the PAL process, you need to onboard Glorious Insight user in your Azure portal, followed by linking Glorious Insight Partner ID. Please follow the steps outlined below to finish the process. Open Azure Portal and select Manage Azure Active Directory. Select Add User. Select Invite User and fill all the details. Assign Azure user roles associated with the partners working on the product, Power BI Administrator, Power Platform Administrator, etc. After filling out all of the user's information, click Invite. Onboarding process is complete. Now please link the partner ID by following the actions listed below. Go to Link to a Partner ID in the Azure portal. Sign in to the Azure portal. Enter the Microsoft Partner ID, associated MPN ID of Glorious Insight, 5007038. Then click Link a Partner ID. You should now see Glorious Insight listed as your associated partner. We hope the steps listed in this video will help you activate PAL to complete your PAL association.